Nathan, we have a very special edition of the Fast Lane car. As you know, today we have two what?
Two Scions.
And today we're going to figure out what's the best sports car that Scion builds. And of course, it's this one. There's no doubt, the FRS.
I don't think so. You'll be surprised how quick this TC is.
Ah, it's got a Camry engine. Come on.
Dude, nice Subaru you got there.
All right, Nathan, so how do we do this?
Well, we're going to do a drag race, which I'll win, and then we're going to do a hot lap right here at IMI.
All right, a drag race and a hot lap with a Camry engine. This will be fun, and that is coming up next
on the Fast Lane car.
Voila, there it is, the Toyota jointly developed 2-liter that puts out 200 horsepower and only, yeah, that's an issue, 151 pound-foot of torque, because let's face it, drag racing is all about torque. But the good news is that unlike that Camry over there, I have a manual 6-speed transmission and the power goes to the rear wheels, which is where you want it to go in a drag race. Nathan, what you got over there?
You know, Roman is right about one thing. This is indeed an engine right out of the Camry. But that's not a bad thing because it puts out 179 horsepower and 172 pound-feet of torque. It's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that is hooked up to a 6-speed automatic transmission to the front wheels. There is a manual that is available. Now, here's the bottom line. It still puts out a lot more torque than Roman's car, and torque is king with drag races, even though this is a bigger car in every dimension, and also more comfortable, more frugal, more logical to buy, and cheaper. But anyway, the point being, of course, is that this has more torque.
Oh my, that was certainly unexpected.
Well, look, here's the bottom line. You don't have enough torque. 151 pound-feet, over a mile above sea level, you don't have enough power. This baby's got torque.
And this desperately needs a turbo. But you know what? Drag racing's for little girls.
Oh, come on.
A hot lap is really where it's at, and I've got you all day long on that. And that is coming up tomorrow on this very special edition of the Fast Lane car. As always, this is Roman.
And Nathan.
Saying thanks for watching, and check out tflcar.com for everyday
news. Just everyday
real world reviews. See you tomorrow. Ciao. Loves to come around. Look at that. Whoa! And it's so easy. It's so easy to drive fast. It's such a well-balanced car.
One